box. It don't work right like that. So I'm waiting for tools to try and get this thing put back together. So, well, I found the problem and I got it home, but thread gone. Thread. So it actually stripped out the chain adjuster, causing a lot of knot tension. But got it back home with the help of my amazing daughter Jessica, and we are going to get it fixed after dinner. Holy crap, I think it's gonna rain too. Alright, so we obviously need a new tensioner bolt. So I'm gonna this little toolkit that someone came and saved me with. Grab me a couple 12 millimeters. We're gonna mosey to the back. Boy, am I glad I cleaned it up back here. Except for a little dark, but we'll figure it out. Let me get light going on here. There we go. Oh, goodness. So, parts bikes, yay! I'll do parts bikes. That is a 350 Buick engine, which I may use again. We'll see. But parts bikes here. We'll get, I don't know if I have any loose. There's an axle. There's the end. Okay, so I don't have any in here, so slide it outside. Don't need the whole thing, I just need that bolt right there. Man, that one comes out so much better than the one I have. I didn't realize it was so messed up. That's okay. That's why we have spares. Look at that. We has the bolt. Walk out of here. Past the Mustang. Under the bridge. Past the hood. And we're clear. Alright. Got our bolt. We have to go remove the one from the motorcycle and throw this one in. And hopefully, this repairs the problem. That bolt doesn't look like it's very happy. Man. That bolt's bent too. Wow. You'd have thought if this was a problem, it would have shown when I changed the tire out. So, I don't know why. But, set you down while I get the rest of the way out here. Alright, so I got the old one out, and it's pretty nasty looking. I think the threads are messed up in here, which I can grab a tap and try and tap out, because it's trying to pull that bolt over. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'll be able to catch those threads or not. I'll play with it for a minute. I'll see if I can get it started. See if the threads are usable or not. Oh, the thread cleans out nice. See what happens when we throw a bolt at it. Here it goes. Okay, start sending it. Alright, loosen this axle up. Okay, that loosens up the axle, which makes that easier to line up. Alright, let's test ride it and see if we got all the issues fixed here. Oh. Get myself plugged in and we'll be back in a minute. That's good.